The world of cars is increasingly reaching the scientific point of science fiction, and these inventions will fascinate you for that reason. Undoubtedly an indispensable improvement for cars, Canoo's pickup truck is designed to exceed expectations in terms of functionality, design, and utility, both for hard work and leisure moments. Its design is meticulously crafted to offer impressive cargo capacity comparable to that of a full-size truck, but with the exterior dimensions of a mid-size truck, providing exceptional maneuverability on a variety of terrains and conditions. Versatility is a key feature of this truck. Its 4-foot by 6-foot cargo bed can be extended to 8 feet to provide additional enclosed space when needed, but it can also be reduced to fit into your garage or smaller spaces. It also features 2 folding workbenches with adjustable depth options and multifunctional power sources that allow you to double your productivity and perform a variety of tasks with ease. With more than 500 horsepower and up to 1,800 pounds of payload capacity, the pickup is ready for any challenge. Whether on the job site or on a weekend adventure, this truck is designed to deliver exceptional performance and adapt to your needs. And we're just getting started, because the next invention is crazy on a whole new level. But before we get ahead of ourselves, can you imagine a truck that not only transports cargo, but also transforms according to your needs? The Canoo pickup section has done it. One of the coolest things you can add to your car is the innovative dual mirror design of the next gen, which not only provides an exceptionally versatile solution for your towing needs, but also enhances safety and comfort on the road. Its large, flat upper mirror provides an accurate and detailed view of the distance behind the vehicle, which is critical when backing up or maneuvering with a trailer. On the other hand, the slightly curved lower mirror expands the field of vision, allowing better perception of the surroundings and reducing blind spots, giving the driver greater confidence when changing lanes or turning. In addition to their superior functionality, next-gen mirrors are genuine replacement mirrors that seamlessly integrate with the vehicle's existing structure, using the same mounting holes, hardware, and wiring. This feature greatly simplifies installation by eliminating the need for additional modifications or complicated adapters. Also, because they're designed specifically for each vehicle model, they maintain the original aesthetics and performance, providing a cohesive and safe driving experience. And that's just the beginning of what we're about to see. So get ready to experience emotions you never knew you had with the following equipment. After all, who knew a simple tow mirror could be as revolutionary as the Clearview Next Gen? The Easy Car Cover is not only easy to install, but also offers a number of features that make it convenient and practical for vehicle owners. Imagine never having to struggle to find the front of the cover because it always unfolds intuitively first. This makes covering your car quick and easy, saving you time and eliminating frustration. In addition, once the cover is placed on the car, the attached cord makes it easy to store the case in the trunk. This ensures that the case is always within reach when you need to store the cover again, keeping your vehicle and your clothes clean at all times. The reel and case design is especially convenient, allowing you to remove the cover without getting your clothes dirty. With this innovative system, you can easily remove the cover while keeping your hands and clothes clean. In addition, the process of rolling the cover back into the case is quick and easy, taking just a few seconds and making it easy to store when not in use. Imagine a future where your car not only takes you from one place to another, but also becomes your personal bank with MasterCard in-car payment. Digital transformation, the proliferation of the Internet of Things, and the move toward autonomous driving are redefining not only the automotive industry itself, but also our relationship with the car as a platform for making purchases and accessing services. These technological advances are changing not only how we drive, but also how we interact with our vehicles on a more fundamental level. For example, we can now pay for fuel and parking directly from our cars, as well as order food on the go. This evolution has highlighted the importance of in-vehicle payment, a secure and connected payment method that's executed from the car's dashboard, providing a convenient and seamless user experience. The MasterCard Token Authentication Framework plays a fundamental role in ensuring the security of these transactions. By delegating customer authentication to PSPs, digital wallets, or merchants, this framework ensures that only authorized cardholders can make payments from the vehicle. Multi-factor authentication, which can include the use of biometrics, provides an additional layer of security to protect transactions. In addition, MasterCard's Secure Card on File simplifies the management of card data on commerce platforms and digital wallets. Imagine a system that detects road hazards before they are visible to the human eye. Magna Thermal Sensing has done it. At the forefront of technology, Magna's thermal detection systems provide precise detection of pedestrians and animals, giving drivers a clearer view of the road and their surroundings. These advanced systems not only increase safety by detecting potential hazards before they're visible to the human eye, but also provide a critical advantage in adverse conditions, such as total darkness or the presence of fog, smog, or smoke. Using a highly sensitive infrared video camera, Magna's systems can detect minimal temperature differences to produce detailed thermal images of the road and its surroundings. This enables early detection of pedestrians, animals, and cyclists up to 100 meters away, alerting drivers and giving them additional time to react to potential hazards. In addition, the ability of these systems to operate independently of ambient lighting conditions makes them particularly effective in situations where other detection systems may be compromised, such as glare from the sun or oncoming vehicle headlights. If you like this invention, get ready to be blown away by the next one. We're about to dive into an ocean of innovation where each discovery surpasses the last. Car gadgets you must have. Crunk Drawers is a pioneering project born out of the need to optimize space and functionality in mobile environments, such as caravans, RVs, and expedition vehicles. This concept, although initially conceived as a custom solution, is in the process of being developed into a marketable product, and this site serves as a platform to explore its potential and generate public interest. The kit offers a full range of features designed to make life on the road easier. From a propane stove, grill, and griddle to a handy cutting board and ample 5.5-foot counter space, each item is carefully designed to provide comfort and functionality. In addition, a cutlery drawer and generous storage space ensure that all kitchen essentials are within easy reach. With compact dimensions of 60 by 24 by 16 inches, this solution fits perfectly in the exterior storage compartment of a motorhome, van, RV, or expedition truck. Its rugged and durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel and adventure, while its 225-pound total weight provides optimal portability without compromising quality or functionality. And this is just the beginning, because if you like this one, the next one takes it to a whole new level. We're about to witness an unprecedented evolution in the history of innovation. Top accessories for your car. Imagine driving your electric car anywhere and knowing that you're recharging your vehicle with clean, sustainable solar energy as you go. That's the vision behind the Beta One, an innovative solar kit that not only allows you to charge your EV on the go, but it's also easy to transport and extremely versatile. The Beta One is lightweight and compact, so you can take it with you on the roof of your electric car without significantly affecting its performance or handling. Its smart design and weight of less than 165 pounds make it a perfect fit for most electric vehicles, including Tesla models. Plus, its ability to generate clean, renewable energy makes it an environmentally friendly way to charge your vehicle, no matter where you are. With 9 solar panels capable of adding 6 kilowatt-hour of energy to your EV per day, the Beta One can give you up to 40 additional miles of range with just 5 hours of sunlight. Best of all, its ruggedness and durability mean you can take it anywhere, through rough terrain, inclement weather, and more without worrying about damage. And that's just a small step for everything we're about to see. So get ready to experience emotions you never knew you had with the following gear. We're about to enter uncharted territory full of fascinating discoveries. TrueTrack not only provides precise leveling between vehicle and trailer, but also offers an active solution to trailer sway. With an innovative design that incorporates a spring and cam system along with fixed support brackets, this system stops trailer sway at 4 strategic points, providing a smoother and safer ride for all occupants. In addition to its ability to prevent trailer sway, the TrueTrack weight distribution hitch provides precise weight distribution, ensuring proper leveling between the towing vehicle and trailer. This system uses 35 9/16-inch shank spring bars and an adjustable shank that fits perfectly into a 2-inch receiver, providing optimal load capacity and exceptional stability. Installing this CURT weight distribution hitch with trailer sway control is quick and easy. A swivel head with hex nuts allows adjustments to be made without completely disassembling the hitch, saving time and effort. This hitch is manufactured with a welded head and cast steel components.